Welcome back, my friends. After all that hard work in calculating a Pearson correlation, what does this R value mean? As researchers, we have learned the key features of a correlation in order to do an initial interpretation. The plus sign indicates that we have a positive correlation. The number value is close to a plus 1.00, which means it is a strong correlation. Therefore, the first initial interpretation is that we have a strong positive correlation. Now, I want you to delve deeper and connect the correlation coefficient back to the actual variables being studied. Remember that a positive correlation means that the x and y variables are moving in the same direction? The second initial interpretation puts this together and states that as sleep increases, mood also increases. These two initial interpretation sentences will now be part of your final interpretation statement. Congratulations! You've successfully calculated and interpreted your first Pearson correlation. But wait, there's more, because we're not done yet. As researchers, we must ask, does this R tell us whether it's statistically significant or not? So what do you think? You tell me. Is this strong positive correlation statistically significant? If you said yes, how do you know? What have you calculated so far to decide whether this R value was statistically significant or not? Sure, most students answer, well, it has to be statistically significant because it's such a strong correlation. However, the only way we can determine if it is statistically significant is if we reject the null hypothesis. So, have we rejected the null hypothesis? No, we haven't, my friends. The only way to determine statistical significance is to conduct a hypothesis test. So guess what we're going to learn next? In the next video or in the next class lecture, we will learn how to conduct a hypothesis test with a Pearson correlation. In summary, a correlation coefficient is a number value that describes the type of relationship that two different variables have with each other. A Pearson correlation is a specific type of correlation that measures the linear relationship between two variables. After calculating a Pearson correlation, a researcher can provide an initial interpretation of the relationship being measured before they determine the statistical significance. Learning how to calculate a Pearson correlation is one more important Lego building block needed to understand statistics.